Hello, friend. Let's go on an adventure. Woo!
Wow, what a magical entrance to a path. Very enchanting and enticing. Ooh, I hear my friends the crows. Oh, I like the sound of the water. And the way that the rain looks on the surface. Wave patterns interfering. So beautiful and cool. There is so much science in nature. Or, well, I guess maybe it's that we decided to do science to better understand nature. Because nature is cool. Ooh. This tree is full of lichen, which we can also see on the ground. Hello, lichen. I like you. Haha. Lichen is a collaboration between moss, like this little buddy, hi little buddy, and algae. So moss, lichen, moss, lichen, which is so beautiful and cool. Oh my stars, look at this, a hollow tree. I wonder how that happened. I wonder if it was struck by lightning or if the tree just fell over and some creatures ate it from the inside. I don't know. Let's see if I can, or because we are on this adventure together. Let's see if we can get inside without slipping. All right. Do 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 do. Ooh. Oh, hello, tree. Wow. Look at this. Hello, rain. Oh, I got some windows. Very nice. I wonder what happened on the inside. Parts of this do kind of look charred, but maybe it's just sap. I wonder. What do you think? Ooh, look at these pretty sword ferns. I learned recently that ferns were the first plant. Ferns have been around for millions and millions and millions of years. Maybe even like a billion years? I don't know. But they've been around for a very, very, very long time and they have seen some stuff. And in a weird way, or kind of in a beautiful way, I guess, ferns give me hope because they are still here despite all of the calamities that have befallen the earth. And I just find that really beautiful and inspiring. Yay, ferns. All right, on our way out. Thank you for being part of this wonderful adventure with me. And now, my challenge to you, should you accept it, please accept it, is to take yourself on an adventure like this. Go for a nature walk. Or even better, bring a friend. Well, actually, bring a friend is not necessarily better, just different. All right, I would love to hear about your observations and the things that you notice on your nature walk. So please let me know. Yay. Bye, friend.